car racing. You think you can win that?
Fuck no, he has no exhaust.
Oh fuck, yeah, no, fuck that.
You know what we should do, guys? Go into David
Regular
Buster's.
Mustang driver.
Fuck you, you're gonna say that shit?
Mustang driver, no survivor.
Dude, he got tunneled. Dude, I thought his sticker said molester. Like, what?
Oh, Lester? Certified molester.
I can't be a child molester if I'm a child, so I'm just a molester.
Yo!
Oh, do it again.
You didn't even
Oh,
count down.
my bad.
Bro, you suck.
Do it right now, do it right now.
You calling me stock?
I'm stock.
Shut the fuck up. Pop your hood. Pop
You
your
got fucking admins in that bitch. Fuck you mean?
No, it's nothing. There's just
admins in there. Fuck
Your car literally does not sound like any other G37. No, it does not. A G literally passed. This is a completely different sound.
Do I at least sound cool when I drive, guys?
Yeah, look.
A little bit.
Do I sound cool when I drive, bro? You know, I'm gonna be honest with you. You kind of like a Honda sometimes.
Sure.
Yeah.
Nah, you know what's being annoying?
I'm my ADA, bro.
I forget your like RPM is like 8,000, so I feel like when you're falling, you're like, and it just goes.
I was like, okay, sounds good. Then, like, what the
He
fuck?
just jumps.
This motherfucker got a turbo in this bitch. I swear to God.
Cars are gay.
Get a real girl.
I think
Not an enemy.
aren't you the only one here who has an actual girlfriend?
Alright, guys. Hey! Just say it.
The Roblox. I'm sorry.
I want you to check out things.
Oh
I
shit!
scared the
No
fuck
grandma.
out of
Do not open it. Do not open it. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. Stop. I'm bone stock.
He fucking.
She wants to show off.
No, it's a joke.
There we go.
No, yeah, that badass.
Damn! I left the dry mark. Fuck you. Typical Mustang.
Shut the fuck up, damn.
I'm gonna get everyone to, circle up. I'm gonna be like, yo, y'all wanna see a present for everyone? And I pull out my Glock 19, FMJ bullets, full metal jacket. I'm fucking up everybody, bro.
You had to say that twice.
Huh?
You had to say FMJ and FMJ.
I'm just saying, like, people who don't know, but like, yeah.
Yeah, I want to say my Call of Duty loadout too. It's
But yeah, full Tommy gun in this bitch, I'm gonna go to the top up there, and I'm gonna fucking jump, and I have like redeploy, so we're good. Dude spilled his drink and almost ran over the car. Chewy, you almost ran over his car, bro.
That's what you get, pussy.
Yeah, low key.
That's because then if he says yes, now you got.
No, say your idea. Say your idea.
My idea was basically him telling them that he has a slow ass Infinity,
Super.
and so then he goes ahead and he wants to race me. Because she's bone stock. Bone stock.
Like my ass, bro. If you're bone stock, I got abs. Clearly.
That's a big ass dude.
She's like.
I mean, I'm pretty sure. You got some real shit. You got some real shit. I raced. Not a flex. A full ST full ball time. Y'all want to see the video shit right here.
Just shitting on Daniel.
And a Type 1. Smoked the fuck out of all of them, so.
Lightning knee. Lightning knee.
Lightning McQueen.
Ka-chow! No. It's the other guy. Good chicken. Good chicken. Good chicken. Ooh.
So good. Keep him molest me.
Did you say he can molest you?
Yeah, what? Why'd you say that, bro?
What the fuck?
You said that.
I never said that.
Did I say that?
Yeah, you
What?
did, bro. That was fucking you, bro. Fucking weirdo.
Bro, I'm
Why would you say some shit like
laser
that?
tag.
Motherfucker's a top tier liar, bro. He's a manipulator.
What?
What?
Right, I'm good at laser tag, bro. I'd be fucking.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's laser tag in here, right?
So we went to a car meet. We decided to come to Dave and Buster's.
So that shit was boring as fuck. Like imagine being a dude with a car.
I am not addicted to that game. I do not know what they're talking about.
Me too.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Fucking game.
He's not addicted. Trust me. Check my Snapchat.
Check my Snapchat. Yo! Yo!
Oh shit, what the fuck? Am I dead? Oh shit, it's full auto. Why the fuck is this killing me, bro?
Take this video away from me before I actually get a cool gun. I mean, what?
Then when I start recording, you don't act stupid no more. Where the fuck is laser tag, Wilson? Where is it? What is he doing?
He's pressing them all. Julie, get the ones that light up. He said, oh. He got 82, bro.
My turn.
Alright, you better feel the earth shake on this bitch.
Press start, dumbass.
Press start. Dude. Fucking try hard, virgin, bro.
Adding to my score.
He might have beat you.
He's adding to my score.
Oh, he is?
Is that even counting as his score?
Oh.
You had to wait until like the time gave out.
Oh, dumbass.
Technically, this is all my score.
What the fuck? Watch, when he gets out, he's gonna be cocky as fuck. He's gonna be like, I beat you! Yeah, Gerardo, touch them blue circles. He's sweating already.
Yeah!
Hey, you chill out. Dude, you're fucking sweat. Bro, you just tell. Oh, we just started Twitch.
Watch, I think all of that was
Like live streaming and shit? Ah! What's he got for? So he really got to suck us off.
Okay, this is kind of short for me. How do I make it go back? Okay, as fuck. Third, fourth, fifth, and sixth.
Alright, loser has to kill himself.
All right. What the fuck, Victor? Where'd you get this in Carlsby?
Dude, he's
I don't give a fuck. No.
One more time. I'll buy extra tickets. I'm not addicted.
That's what you get for touching my ass.
Yeah, true.
I'm not gay.
Bro, we're gay. We're gay. We're gay.
Fuck off, bro.
Wilson, come here. We're gay though.
My fellow gay man. Oh, fucker.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's getting serious. He's taking off his whole serious.
I don't have it.
Intervention. No.
Chewy, you have a problem. Okay?
No.
You have a problem.
You're good. You're gonna do it.
I was scared for my life. Look at. See how he's fucking humping this shit, bro? His dick is in the fucking coin slide. Dude, this is the only time I'm financially stable. It was this. Not with my actual money, but with this. You can't, bro. When he gets to a low number,
Let me moan it.
oh,
Let's look at the flag 6.
I won't punch the machine because there's people looking at me.
No, no,
Please.
no, no.
I swear, I'll buy my
Okay, how about this? How about this? How about this, right? If I do it right now and I get lower than 4, you're not gonna do it again.
Okay. Okay. Good day.
pretend this one's you.
Come on. I'll put $40. I'll put $40.
No, no.
I'm getting the fucking
said,
price.
please.
Bro, I suck your cock. I swear it up. It's not an addiction, bro.
Stop.
Watch out.
Stop. What are you doing?
Bernardo. Fuck you.
All your strength, anger. Okay, harder, Will. Harder.
Yeah.
I would've tried.
Alright, babe. Ah, weak as fuck. Ah, you suck. Damn, that wasn't even a target, bro. Babe. That didn't even hit the target. What? Bro. Huh? Fucking throw it. What are you doing? What? Bro, that didn't even hit the target. Throw it. There we go, finally. Where's the fuck is Joey? Where's the card? Oh, bro. What happened? Oh no! That was all you. That was not me, bro. I'm gonna hit that. Let's go find Joey.
I wonder where he is.
You know school shootings? Don't play with me, I'll fucking kill them, both of them. I'll bury their fucking body. My uncle has a fucking farm. He has a pig den. You know what pigs do? They eat the whole fucking body, bone and everything, bro. Don't fucking play with me. I'll kill them all. I swear. I already imagined it. You think I'm playing?
Oh, that was.
Hold your hands since the Roblox. You can't do it no more.
That's fucked up.
wasn't lied to when they said I love you. Yeah, not funny, right? Not funny, right? Yeah. I love you. Or do I? No. I don't think it's that funny. Oh my God.
Relax.
No, I mean,
Relax.
you gotta try it again.
No.
Yes.
That's it. No. Stop.
Give me my card.
No.
It's the last time. Last time. I know crackheads say that, but I mean it. Look, recording. That's how sure I am. Hey, where's the card? Where's the card?
He's pressing on me like, where's the fucking card?
Gerardo, just one more time.
Go.
250 points. You'll get chicken with that, I promise.
You need chicken.
You need chicken.
For Elliot.
Just one more, bro. I'm not addicted, I swear.
Stop.
Just one more.
Stop.
Bro, I'll buy my
How
own
many
card.
times?
I'll buy my own card. Don't play with me. I'll buy my card.
Alright, so we were gone for a while, just so y'all know. There's an R34 right there. We were in Dave & Buster's.